Hi. Welcome to my channel. I am back with another informative tutorial. Today we are going to discuss and practice flyer design. Let's have a look at what a flyer is, where it is used and the difference from other print mediums. Let's create a file with an A4 template and color mode CMYK in Photoshop. A flyer is a piece of paper containing images, texts, and illustrations used for advertisement purposes. We discussed the advantages of print media in the previous poster design lecture. The flyer also belongs to the same family. Its size makes it different from other print mediums that are usually A4 or A3 paper size that is easy to carry in hand. A flyer can be a two-sided paper because it contains more information than a poster. We will unlock the background layer so that we can change its color. Now with the help of the pen tool, I am drawing a shape that is the first step towards creating a layout design for our flyer. It is better to create a rough sketch on paper or at least have a clear concept in your mind of how you can place your text and images and organize them to create a good design. After you draw a shape, drag your image in the file and put it just above the shape and right-click and select Clipping Mask to clip the image in that shape. Select the shape and press Ctrl+J to duplicate the layer containing that shape. Change color to beautify your layout. Now repeat the step. Now I am creating a section for the main heading again with the help of the pen tool. Only the text in the heading and subheading will be larger, others would be 12 points. Select the background layer and apply a gradient. Place the logo of the company for which you are creating a flyer. can drag the cursor to place more lines of text and adjust the line and spacing and other options in the dialog box. Now with the ellipse tool, I am creating circles to place more images. As I am creating a real estate flyer design, it's a good practice to show more features with the help of images to grab customer attention. Just draw a shape and drag the image, place it above the shape in the Layers panel and clip it. You can also press the Alt key and click on the line between the image and shape to clip it when the cursor changes to a downward arrow. List important features and bullet points, and make a group with Ctrl+G. can duplicate the groups by pressing the Alt key and dragging the group. Enter contact info or other important information. And there you go. Our flyer design is ready. I will soon share a detailed video on how to create a layout and some rules to design a perfect layout. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.